This is Quizalize. Quizalize is powered by Zzish, and I shall tell you more about that in a moment. Quizalize is a great tool for formative assessment. You can create and administer fun and engaging quizzes, and very much like Kahoot, there is a gaming element. Learners access quizzes via a code using any device with a web browser. Go to quizalize.com and then select Teacher Login. The easiest way to log in is with a Google account or an Office 365 account, but you can sign up with any other email address. You will then arrive at Zzish. Zzish is a separate platform from Quizalize, and I think they are in a little bit of development at the moment. Zzish is where you play the quizzes that you've created in Quizalize and view results, and it's also where you set up your classes. Go to the ellipsis and you will see a range of options. One of those is to go to your Quizalize account. There are a few ways to easily get started within Quizalize. You can create a quiz, you can try one of the introductory quizzes, or you can browse the marketplace for a quiz on your chosen topic that has been created by other teachers. Select Marketplace and then search for your given topic. You can preview the quiz. This is what your learners will see. You can edit any of the questions and also view the set answers. And you can also launch the quiz and assign a quiz to a class. You can customize in the settings below, use of sound and randomizing questions, for instance, and just change like so. Select Continue. You have 3 free classes to use within Zzish. This is one class I already have set up, but I'll just demonstrate how you add a new class. You have the option to play a quiz in class or set as homework, and you can select the time that it can be available and the period. Select Finish. And these are your class details all set up. So this class, that is the code. Select Start Activity, Launch Game. You have 2 features within which you can play the quiz. Team versus team. For instance, if you have a group of 20 learners, Zzish will automatically place 10 learners in each team, a green and an orange team. Team versus computer. Your group of learners plays against the computer to shoot hoops. I will demonstrate both of these features, but let's take a look first at team versus team. These are the details that your learners use to access the quiz. If it's the first time your learners played a quiz within this class, they will need to enter their name. If they played a quiz within this class before, their name will automatically appear and they just need to select from the list, like so. The learner would then select Start to enter into the quiz. So this is the teacher view and this is the student view. When the learner selects Start, you can see point scoring, and what I like about this is whilst it is individual learners gaining points, as a team effort they progress all the way to the finishing line against the other team, so both individual and teamwork. I'm now going to stop this game and I'm going to launch the same game but in team versus computer. You have the option to choose the difficulty of the opponent, which is the computer. I'm just going to select regular. You can change the music and the sounds here. The learners again join their class where they will find this quiz waiting for them. stop the game, you will see the results. We can then explore the results in more detail here in the sections underneath. You can really drill down to see how each learner performed. I'm just going to switch to a class with more learners in so we can have a better view of this. I'm going to select the class, and then I can see these are the quizzes this class played. If I enter into the quiz, you can see the green and the orange team. I can then explore which students are nearly there with their learning and who are stronger. I can drill down them further and have a look at how many questions or what questions they got wrong. Improvements, so over time how much they've improved from their first try to their second attempt. I can view this in table form, and I can show which topics give my class the most problems. So excellent formative assessment data gained there. In the free version there is a data limit, so you won't always see all the results for all of your classes for every game. Go to the ellipsis to edit your class. If you want to delete a class or delete learners, you can easily do this.